Hey guys, welcome to the group. My name is Ramoy. I'm the founder of the group. I welcome you guys. For my first members, I welcome you guys. I'm gonna make the group free for now until I get my first 10 to 20 members. I'm gonna add a fee to it, but for right now, it's gonna be free for the first few members, and it's gonna be stay free for you guys. It's just for my people who come after you guys. It's gonna be a paid group afterwards. But let's jump in a paid group afterwards. But let's jump in. We're gonna jump into a crypto search engine. It's gonna be called CoinMarketCap. As you see, it's called CoinMarketCap.com. So type that in your search bar, and we're gonna go through this together. So CoinMarketCap is a search engine for cryptocurrency. It's just like a Google, but it's for cryptocurrency. You can come here and like search your different cryptocurrency. Like you heard about a new project, for example, like um, waffles. You can find your coins right here. It's very good. And if you want to find more information on the specific coin that you're looking up, you jump in here in your search bar. It's waiting for it to load. Take a little bit. You can see most of your information on your left side. You got your market cap, the volume, that's the amount of money that's been traded on it. You can see the total supply, the max supply, and like they give you like links to website to go to see what this coin is about, and also their social accounts. This is a contract. Like you can copy this contract if you want to buy the token. You can copy the contract, check the markets and see where liquidity is available. You can use these exchanges. You can go to the decentralized exchanges with the most liquidity, which is Radium for waffles. You go on Radium and check the website and check the amount of liquidity that's on it, and you're able to buy waffles on Radium. But it's simple. In my next video, I'm gonna go into show you how to buy waffles actually. So yeah, but thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I have more video for you guys coming up. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.